In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of gaming CPUs, comparing two heavyweights, the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 9-9900X3D. We'll explore their performance capabilities, pricing, and unique features to help you decide which CPU reigns supreme for gaming. Both processors have impressive specifications. But which one delivers the best gaming experience? Let's find out! When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9-12900K boasts a higher clock speed of up to 5.2 GHz, which can lead to better single-threaded performance in gaming scenarios. However, the AMD Ryzen 9-9900X3D features 12 cores, which can significantly enhance multi-threaded performance, especially in tasks that utilize multiple cores. Gamers often benefit from higher clock speeds, but content creators and those running demanding applications may find the additional cores of the Ryzen 9 advantageous. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific use case and whether you prioritize raw speed or multi-core efficiency. In terms of pricing, the Intel Core i9-12900K comes with a premium price tag of $727, reflecting its high-end performance capabilities. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 9-9900X3D is priced at $599, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers looking to maximize performance without breaking the bank. This price difference could be a deciding factor for many users, especially those who want to build a powerful gaming rig while keeping costs manageable. It's essential to consider what you're getting for the price and how it aligns with your gaming needs. Both CPUs come with unique features that cater to different user preferences. The Intel Core i9-12900K includes integrated graphics, which can be a lifesaver for users who may not have a dedicated GPU or are looking for a temporary solution. Conversely, the AMD Ryzen 9-9900X3D incorporates 3D V-Cache technology, enhancing cache performance and potentially improving gaming experiences in certain titles. These features can significantly influence your decision depending on whether you value integrated graphics or advanced caching capabilities for gaming. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i9-12900K and AMD Ryzen 9-9900X3D offer impressive performance and features tailored for gamers. The choice ultimately comes down to your specific needs, whether you prioritize clock speed, core count, pricing, or unique features. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.